is go to the hospital, get checked out. If they say you're okay, then you're on your way. I don't want you to
get home though, man.
You'll get home. Listen, I talked to my boss. The only other alternative to you not going voluntary, if you go voluntary, you hop on the cot, you ride down there, you get checked out, it's done. If you don't go voluntarily, here's what I have to do. I feel that you're not making a safe choice in your best interest. I'm consciously talking. You're not making a safe choice in your best interest. And I have to involve crisis. We have to go to the hospital anyway to start that process, and we have to have them evaluate to make sure that you're making safe decisions for yourself. I don't want to go there.
Real quick, do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Okay. You have a bulge on your right side.
That's my phone.
Okay, don't reach for anything. Just
that's my phone.
Hold on.
No, I don't want. Look, man, I have a problem with officers touching me.
Lift up your shirt then.
Sure.
Just lift up your shirt, bud. Lift up your shirt. We want to make sure everybody's safe.
Look. Whoa!